Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're going to watch this video. If this is your first time to come across my videos, you're highly welcome. I'm Francis for Y, a Sierra Leonean YouTuber or a Facebook content creator. So, guys, in today's video, we are coming to cook one pot rice. Low budget one pot rice. I don't have money, so I have to manage. So, guys, stay tuned. Please make sure you like, comment, share, follow, and subscribe to my account and my page. God bless you. As you are going to watch this beautiful video, watch till the end. Comment down below, what do you think? I love you. So, guys, here is my pot and my beans. I forgot to tell you that I'm going to cook one pot rice with beans. I don't know if this is bicofolic acid. That's the way we call this beans, this yellow beans. So, guys, I've washed my beans and I'm putting it inside the pot now. The pot is on the fire. So we are going to boil these beans until it gets soft. All right, stay tuned. So, guys, let's check if our beans is done. No, it was not yet done. I was checking it. Yes. So this food is going to be looking so demure. It's time to put my rice. Yeah. I wash my rice. I put it
It's going to be demure. So enjoy the video, guys.
Not yet done properly. I said, okay, let me wash the rice. See the color of the beans. Yes. So I said, let me reduce water because I don't want the rice to poto. Yes. Okay. How do you call poto in English? Comment down below, guys. So I said, let me mix. I put some salt and stir it. Yes. So after putting the rice in the pot, I get my ingredients ready. I have my tomato paste, I have my onion, I have my oil, my Maggi. Yes, I said let me put salt. All right. So my ingredients were not many because it's a managed cook, but that is what I felt to eat that time. So I just imagine how it's gonna taste. So, guys, continue to enjoy the video. So let me put my tomato now. Yeah, it's time to put my tomato inside the pot. Yeah. So after the tomato, now I've put my oil. Yes, and everything was given. Yes, everything was given. After putting my oil, then I prepare my pepper. Yes, so let me beat or let me pound my pepper. So this is the pepper, and the smell of this pepper, guys, is so demure. This is what we call nene koro in Sierra Leone. This pepper, it smells superb. So I've cut one onion and put it inside. I was beating it. Yeah.
Come on. How you getting us so see a hola.
So, guys, let's check our rice again and let's see how far. Now it's time for me to put my pepper. Yes. Yeah, because this pepper, oh, it smells so nice. So So it's time to mix it up. Let's mix. Oh, this one pot is so demure. Hey guys, this one pot, I enjoyed it, eh? This one pot is so demure. Yes, after stirring, right, my fish, my Mina fish, I put my Mina fish now. This Mina fish was seasoned with small salt and Maggi. Yes, because I don't want to smell season that on this food, in this food. So I did not put any seasoning on that fish. I just washed it with lime and put my salt and Maggi. So I put it inside the rice. Now I mixed. Oh guys, I wish you can taste this one pot. You will say, Frances, just cook this for me every day. This one pot was so sweet and demure. Yeah, so let me taste. See, it's given, guys. This one pot is giving. So guys, are you enjoying my... I said let me add a little bit of water. Yes, because the rice was not done. Yes, so let me add, because I want the rice to cook properly. Yes. Yeah. So I added some salt. Yes, because it was not having salt. Okay. So a few minutes later, guys, I opened again my pot to put my luncheon meat. Okay, let me say my sausage and luncheon meat. Yes, a little bit of luncheon meat and sausage. I added it inside my one pot. Oh, guys, this food is so demure. This food is so delicious, guys. If you taste this food, you want to eat it every blessed day. Every blessed day you want this food, guys. I enjoy cooking this food and everybody at home enjoy eating it. So Divine, stop. So unfortunately, guys, I deleted the finished part of the video. Thanks for watching.